Hi, my name's Keith Montoya and I'm a Salesforce Administrator. Today I want to demonstrate how I use Salesforce to manage my expenses, from comparing rental income to mortgage costs to tracking scheduled expenses. Let me show you what I've done. So I've designed a set of reports to give me insights into different facets of property management. Let's dive into how I've configured these reports. First, let's start off with rent versus mortgage. So my rent versus mortgage report allows me to see what I'm paying for my monthly mortgage and what rental income I'm getting from that property. I set this report to automatically show the difference between my monthly mortgage and rental income, displaying the amount I'm earning. So for an example, you can see on this 555 East Eagle Creek Drive property, my monthly mortgage is $2,423.19. As you can see, I'm not getting any rental income from this property, so it's just showing the monthly mortgage that I'm paying. But as you can see down here, the 7272 South Skyline Drive property, my monthly rent I'm getting is $2,200 a month. In comparison to my monthly mortgage of $1,307.31, I'm actually earning $892.69. So this gives me a quick glance of exactly what's going on with these specific properties, what I'm earning, what I'm paying, and all the specific details that I need. My next report is total scheduled expenses. So my total scheduled maintenance report helps me keep track of the maintenance costs that I schedule regularly for the upkeep of my properties. These scheduled maintenance costs are distinct from my maintenance requests initiated by tenants. This separation allows me to compare the expenses I proactively schedule against those that arise from my tenant requests, giving me a clear overview of what my maintenance budget and priorities are. Next is my total expenses report. The total expenses report provides a comprehensive view of all maintenance costs, encompassing both maintenance requests initiated by tenants and scheduled maintenance expenses. So in essence, it's a complete record of all the financial aspects related to the property maintenance. This report helps me assess the overall financial impact of maintenance on my properties, combining the costs associated with tenant requested repairs, proactive scheduled and maintenance efforts. So next, I created a custom total expenses dashboard. This dashboard is a central hub that provides me with quick and convenient access to the key reports we've discussed. Rent versus mortgage, total scheduled maintenance, and total expenses. So this hub is like a control center for my property management finances. With just a glance, I can assess the financial health of my properties, track scheduled maintenance, and monitor overall maintenance expenses. This dashboard streamlines my decision-making process, ensuring I have a clear, real-time overview of my property management finances all in one place. So this is the end of this video on how I manage expenses using Salesforce. I appreciate you checking out the video and I hope you have a good day. Thanks.